Hi everyone. Today a friend of mine brought me this radio and asked me to return it back as it was. For me it is like a jigsaw puzzle. But anyway, I accepted the challenge. I'll return it back, God willing, and make it work again. I hope there's nothing missing. Okay. It works with two speakers. Only one speaker is here. The other one is missing. There are supposed to be two knobs. Only one knob is here. All the wires are cut. كل السلوك مقطع. This volume control is not the original, and it has been replaced with the wrong one. Okay, let's start one by one. But what's the starting point? Okay, I'll start with this. This is supposed to be an amplifier IC. I think it has been replaced. Anyway, let's start. Because it has been abandoned for quite a long time, so it has to be cleaned with thinner. I'll also replace this capacitor because I don't like the look of it. It is a little bit swollen. This is supposed to be here. نجيب مسامير. This is supposed to be here, right? فين هنا. It's supposed to be here. Won't test it because it might be gone. We adjust our avometer to the buzzer. It is working alright. So I'll put it here. This is 3 watts, 4 ohms. Okay, I found one 4 ohms, 3 watts. Okay, it will do. We'll test it first to make sure that this works alright. Okay, it is working alright. Well, I'm afraid now we have a problem that 6 pins volume control is not available in the market. There's only 7 pins and 5 pins, but no 6 pins. And the one installed is 5 pins because someone tried to install a 5 pins volume control instead of 6 pins volume control, but it didn't work. Apparently it didn't work. So anyway, I found a 6 pins volume control in my spare parts, but I think this one is defective. I'll try to open it, clean it, then put it back and try it. Hopefully it will work. Here it is from inside. I'll only clean it with kerosene. I don't want to use thinner because thinner is eroding. These wires are supposed to go to the speakers, to both the speakers. Okay, because they are coming out of the headphones jack. I've replaced the volume control with the one we repaired, but I'm afraid it's still not working. To make sure that it is the volume control, I'll do this experiment. I'll bring a wire like this and attach it to pin number 1 to the positive to the positive of the speaker. This is the sound of the FM. So the radio is working, but the problem again is with the volume control. Unfortunately, this will be the end of our video because I'm afraid I can't find a replacement for this volume control. So goodbye until I find a replacement for this control. I'm afraid I can't find it anywhere in the markets here. So see you again in a new video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like. Bye for now. Now I put it back until I find another volume control.